Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here, and I want to share with you what I've been using to generate $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 instant cash commissions for every single sign up that comes inside of our program. A lot of people want to know, how are we doing this? We're actually using a company that does text blast for us, and we're using social media. Okay, you guys have seen the back office, you guys have seen the cash. Okay, I've been able to purchase one of my dream cars really by just sharing affiliate links with other people, them understanding everything and getting started. It doesn't matter if they get started right away or if they get started later on down the line. Eventually they will get started. So I'm going to just log into or do a screen recording for you guys to share this with you guys so you guys can see as well. I send people over directly to my work from home link. Okay, so I'm going to put in my just 1K days for you guys to see. It's really simple. Okay, and a person would actually go in here and they would get the full details on what I do. Simple, how I purchase a $90,000 vehicle working from my iPhone, you guys. So very simple to use. All right, they will go ahead and watch the 2-minute, 3-minute trailer or whatever, and they would go ahead and click on the information. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put in my information right here. All right, and show you guys how simple this is. So you guys are going to get a link with this as well. Okay, you're going to get a website, you're going to get lead sources. Okay, as you guys can see, I use OSP for my leads and also Aweber. But there's going to be the presentation right here. A person can go through the full presentation right there and get the full details. Now, if the person doesn't sign up right away, they can come back later. Okay, that's the simplicity of this. They can go to the testimonials about this website. They can go to the Genesis product to look at the products that you get with this program. You can go join Exodus Elite right now. Okay, it's really that simple. You guys see this on the back of my plate. I share this on social media, also do text blasting for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and go join now. Okay, this is affordable for every single person out there. I would say it's $100, $250, $500, or $1,000, and then you pay your admin, which is $40. Your admin would be $100, $199, or $299, I believe. Okay, for the highest level. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Join now. You go ahead and select the level that you want. It's really this simple. Select what you can actually afford. You do not have to pay everything at once. Okay, so if you're starting at the G100 level, you pay your $40 admin and your $100. Okay, and your annual would be that $40. Okay, really simple. Now if you wanted to upgrade, of course you would just pay the difference. You would pay the $250 or the $150 for the $200 or $250 level, and then you would pay the $60 that you owe on the admin. It's really that simple. So that's why I really love this compensation plan. Okay, because you don't have to pay all over again. Now if you only came in at the $100 level and you had people that come in, let's say they came in at the $250, $500, or $1,000 level, you're still going to get paid that $100, and your remaining pay, if they wanted to sign up, let's say the $1,000 level, the $900 is going to pass up to the person that's qualified at that level. Okay, so it's real simple. Okay, the products, the breakdown is all inside. You put in your information here. Okay, you pay your admin, and then you contact the person that's sharing with you this information. Of course, that would be me. Once you get logged in, set up your account, it's going to prompt you to pay your products level. Okay, it's really that simple. Okay, so if you got $100, $250, $500, or $1,000, really simple way to get paid with this program. Okay, I'm not going to go through all the products inside of this. You guys can visit this yourself and take a look at everything. Really simple. I'm doing everything from my mobile device. I run this business from my mobile device. Okay, so that's my time. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Affordable way to get paid. instant cash commissions, and also passive income by sharing this information that I shared with you. Until the next video, make it a great day.